Justin, let's talk about the foam gun versus the foam cannon. Now, I didn't know that the cannon even existed, so I can imagine how much fun that could be. But the gun itself, I use it all the time when on my racing rig. It seems like it's literally 85 feet long, and it's like almost overwhelming to clean. So when you hit it with this, first of all, it's a lot of fun to spray foam.
Oh yeah.
But it also seems to kind of take away some of the elbow grease in the work. But reading up on the forums, a lot of people talking about the cannon. So what's the difference?
So a lot of it's personal preference and convenience. So they serve the same purpose. However, this one's obviously going to attach your garden hose and create more of a frothy type foam. And then you have the foam cannon, which attaches to a pressure washer that's going to give you more of that shaving cream-like consistency, the really thick stuff. Yeah, and a lot of it is based on also the type of soaps that you're using. There are some very universal soaps out there. The Blackfire foam soap is one that is really nice because it adds more foam and the value of foam to your foam gun or your foam cannon. And that allows you to basically, you fill up the foam gun or foam cannon about 75–80% water, and then about 2 to 4 ounces of actual soap to get the consistency of foam that you're looking for.
So that's where I've been screwing up all the time. I throw in the soap first because I get so fired up. I just want to get this done. And then I add the water and it's just a hot mess.
Yeah, and it just keeps foaming and foaming and foaming. Yeah, no, this is something that helps a lot because, like you said, you foam the vehicle and it really helps break down with the type of surfactants and things that are in the soap. It'll help break down the road film and things like that to make your life easier with washing.
I love life easier. So really the difference is if you've got a pressure washer or washer, this is an option for you, but you can pretty much accomplish the same thing with the garden hose.
Absolutely. Whatever you have as a tool at home that you find is going to be the best for what you're trying to achieve. And if you are using a pressure washer, don't be scared. That 15 to 1800 PSI is the safe range for automotive. And that's really where you want to be with something like this.
Okay, cool.